Hi, this is Jacob Kino and Rowan. Group 1. We have a timer on delay. So now we have a normally open button that we hold down for 2 seconds. It will activate the timer for 2 seconds, and the timer will set the first light. And then afterwards, the second button is pressed, it will reset the light. And that concludes timer on. This is group 1, Jacob and Rowan, with timer off. What we have now is the same programming, except now the timer is activated immediately, but the reset, you have to take 3 seconds to turn it completely off, or press it 1 second each in a separate time period. So it starts on immediately, and then 1, 2, and 3, and it's off. And then you can keep blinking it and blinking it up until 3 seconds, and then it will turn itself off. And that concludes timer off. Hi, this is group 1. This is retentive timer on. Jacob and Rowan, and we have an input that we must hold for 3 seconds to set the timer on, and it will let the light turn on as well. And then our reset switch should also turn off the light. There goes 3 seconds on the on, and it turns off immediately. That concludes retentive timer on. This is count up counter, group 1. We have the programming listing the counter up timer being pressed 3 times in order for the counter to be to set the light. And now we set it up right here. 2, 3, and reset. And then we'll show you here. 1, 2, 3. It's activated and reset. This is Jacob Aquino. This is countdown timer with group 1 and Rowan. We are setting the input, press 3 times, and it will count the timer down, and it will activate the light, and then we will reset it. 1, 2, 3, and reset, and then we will show it here. So 1, 2, 3, and it counted down by 3, and it resets immediately. So this is group 1, Jacob and Rowan, with the up-down counter. So we have our counter currently set at 0. If it reaches above 0, then it turns on, or at 0, and below 0, it turns off. So we have it here. And now going below, it turns off. Going above, it turns on. And now to demonstrate, so at 0, and now counter is off. And above 0 or at 0, it turns on. This is blinking in solid state with group 1. This is our program we have here. Our light should function by blinking 5 seconds, and the blue light should hold on for 7 seconds. So we'll wait for the blue light to stop being blue, and then blinks red 5 times. For a long 5 times and a long 7 seconds. And that concludes our lab.